Just when you thought the Diddy case couldn't get any wilder, Week 4 of the explosive trial brings courtroom chaos, emotional outbursts, and jaw-dropping witness testimony. From a supporter getting thrown out to the judge warning Diddy himself, this trial is spiraling into uncharted territory. Buckle up, because what went down this week is something you need to hear to believe. The courtroom isn't just a place for justice anymore, it's become the stage for one of the most intense celebrity trials in recent memory. And this week, it took a chaotic turn. On June 3rd, as Sean "Diddy" Combs sat alongside his legal team, a woman in the courtroom suddenly disrupted the proceedings. She wasn't just any spectator, she had been watching the trial from an overflow room, but this time she decided to make her voice heard. She shouted out, "Everyone is laughing at Diddy. What they're doing to him is not right." Then she directed her words at Diddy himself, yelling, "People are trying to do you wrong." Security quickly escorted her out, but the tension in the room had already reached a boiling point. And things didn't cool down. Just 2 days later, on June 5th, the presiding judge, Aaron Subramanian, turned his attention to Diddy himself. The issue? Diddy's body language. According to the judge, he had been nodding and making noticeable facial expressions toward the jury during a key line of questioning. The judge didn't hold back. He told Diddy's attorneys, "There should be no facial expressions to the jury. I couldn't have been clearer. If it happens again, I'll either give the jury a special instruction or your client could be removed from the courtroom entirely." Diddy's legal team quickly assured the judge that it wouldn't happen again. But the warning was loud and clear: no more jury theatrics. Music transitions to a darker, more suspenseful tone. Meanwhile, the witness stand continued to deliver bombshell after bombshell. Back on the stand was Brianna Bongolan, a close friend of Diddy's ex-girlfriend, Cassie Ventura. Her testimony: that in 2016, Combs allegedly dangled her over the 17th floor balcony of Cassie's apartment in Los Angeles. Diddy's defense team tried to shoot it down, arguing he was in New York City at the time. But Brianna didn't flinch. She told jurors, "I have no doubt, it was him." Then came a damning statement from Eddie Garcia, a former hotel security supervisor at the Intercontinental in LA. He testified that Diddy once handed hotel staff a paper bag filled with $100,000 in exchange for surveillance footage showing him allegedly assaulting Cassie Ventura. Garcia claimed he and 2 other employees split the money and signed an NDA, which carried a staggering $1 million penalty for breaking it. He's testifying under immunity, meaning he can't be prosecuted for what he's admitted. But perhaps the most disturbing moment of the week came from a woman referred to in court only as Jane, also known as Victim 2 in the federal indictment. She said her relationship with Diddy started in early 2021. By May of that year, things took a dark turn. According to Jane, Diddy arranged for her to have sex with another man while he watched. She testified that she didn't want to do it, but felt financially and emotionally trapped. "I felt obligated to perform these nights with him," she said, her voice trembling. These sessions reportedly lasted up to 30 hours straight, with no sleep, sometimes involving multiple men. She told the jury she had begged Diddy to at least have the men wear condoms. His response? According to Jane, he guilt-tripped her and flat out refused. "He didn't want to see a rubber while he was watching," she recalled. To stay awake, she says she used a mix of ecstasy, caffeine, water, and protein shakes just to survive the ordeal. As for Diddy, he has pleaded not guilty to all charges, including sex trafficking, racketeering, conspiracy, and coercion. This isn't just another celebrity scandal. This is a full-blown reckoning, where fame, money, and power collide in a courtroom filled with pain, fear, and allegations that could destroy reputations forever. But is Diddy being unfairly targeted? Or is this just the beginning of a deeper, darker truth? We want to know your thoughts. Do you believe the testimonies we're hearing? Is justice finally being served? Or are we watching a public figure being pulled into a media frenzy? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next chapter of this unbelievable story.